can't buy a vehicle. I can't just exactly buy a vehicle. So I want to spend the money, yep, to make sure that my vehicles get the absolute top level care that I can get from them, including the gas that I put in my gas tank. That ain't gonna happen. Nope. More about he's not all wrong. No, and I absolutely can't see the conduit. Might get his butt beat. So I didn't stand. Oh, yes it is. Yeah, it's burning well. That black car that just went through the burning oil bag. Yep, I have tools to do that. As far as the tools, just periodically I need to buy a new gas can. I need to go to the map gas. Yep, I just need the can. I don't need the whole kit, just the can. They do have it. They do. Yeah, they do have it. I'll probably buy one here within the next few days. I'll buy another one because that's really handy to have. It's saved my rear end a few times. Yeah, saved my rear end. Having the map gas torch, which I do. In fact, it's here with me. But I'm gonna hold off. Yeah, it's best to. Yeah, I'm going right into Taco Bell, so that's just cool.